Artemis II NASA mission. For the first time in more than 50 years, astronauts are getting ready to fly to the moon again. This mission is called Artemis II. 4 astronauts will travel around the moon on a 10-day journey. They won't land it, but they will test everything we need for the next big step, living and working on the moon. The main goal of Artemis II to prove that NASA's new spacecraft called Orion can keep humans safe in the deep space. It will also give the crew and a flight control batteries with the operation that future mission will need. The launch day will be begun at the NASA Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The crew will suit up, ride to the launch pad and climb into the Orion, which sits on the top of huge Space Launch System rocket or SLS. This rocket is taller than the Status of Liberty and filled with over 700,000 gallons of fuel. When the countdown reaches 0, the rocket engine fires and the ground shakes. The rocket lifts off the nearly 9 million pounds of thrust, sending the astronaut up into the sky.
3, 2, 1, 0.
After just a couple of minutes, the side booster falls away. A few minutes later, Orion spacecraft from the rocket main stage open its solar panels and fly free in the Earth orbit. The crew will spend about a day cycling Earth and checking Orion system. Once everything is confirmed to be working, Orion engine fires again. This push, called translunar injection, sends the spacecraft out of the Earth orbit and on its way to the moon. For the next several days, astronauts will test Orion in every way possible. They will practice steering, communication and even docking tests. They will also practice emergency drills such as sheltering inside the capsule in case of solar radiation storm. The crew will travel farther than any human has gone in more than 50 years, 230,000 miles from the Earth and even 4,600 miles past the moon. They will become the first people in over half century to see the far side of the moon with their own eyes. After swimming around the moon, Orion will begin the journey home. It follows a special path called free return, meaning Earth gravity naturally pulls it back. Four days later, Orion reached Earth's atmosphere, traveling at almost 25,000 miles per hour. The heat shield protects the capsule as it fiery temperature hotter than the molten lava. As Orion slowed down, they will send some 3 specific parachutes. The first one is smallest one, and others are giant, huge 3 parachutes. Finally, the crew couples drift gently into the Pacific Ocean at less than 20 miles per hour. US Navy teams will be waiting to recover the astronauts and bring them safely to the shore. Artemis II is more than a test flight. It is the start of a new era. For the first time in a decade, people will go beyond the Earth orbit from the mission. We perhaps not only to return to the moon, but also take the next giant leap towards the Mars and beyond. This is the Artemis II humanity return to the moon. Thank you.